Now, this is a really interesting cookbook, but it's a little bit more than just a cookbook, called Dishing Up the Dirt by Andrea Bemis. Simple recipes for cooking through the seasons. That's the key right there, cooking through the seasons. So she goes season by season and she offers up different recipes. The pictures are gorgeous. The story is gorgeous. The write-up before each of the seasons is a lot of fun. You get to see this couple's story and how they stretched and they bought the farm and they're advancing it. It's all super healthy and organic and all that kind of stuff. Another interesting thing is they have this whole section on sauces, and we've done quite a few of these and they're delicious. But check this out. I'm going to just flip through a few pictures. There's this one in here called Farmer's Candy. It's just some tomatoes with some seasoning on it. It's just wonderful. We've done a lot of these. I cooked kale for the first time because of these recipes, but you can tell there's just a great diversity. So yummy. The Brussels sprouts were great in this. Oh my goodness. They even have a few cocktail mixes. Oh, there's one. Yeah, some cocktail recipes. Really fun book. But what sets it apart is, yes, it's beautiful. Yes, it's easy instructions, but the story of this couple was really fun as well. I just kind of just enjoyed the stories as much as anything else. So anyway, great little cookbook. We gave one of these as a gift, and we've got one on our shelf. I think you will like it. Enjoy.